Hey guys, so welcome to another video. I'm going to show you my glove blocker, what I did for it, for breast cancer month. Really nice. So first of all, my blocker, it's good with the glove, which is Junior 7K. So, first of all, just show you guys what I did. So, took the tape, ran a few pink tape. So, for this part right here, I used the middle one. So for that part, the middle one, for outside, if anything, this used to be full tape, so I thought of doing this, my pad, so that I used the full tape. I was thinking of doing Reebok, but I'm not sure right now. That's pretty much it for the blocker. Really liked how it came out. Yeah. So, give me a second, I'll just fix something. I'm back, so I'm going to show you one part of it. So I just took this tape off right there. I'm going to show you how you do that. So, so that part's going to be right here. Okay. So you just want to push your finger, thumb, whatever you want down. Okay, it's going to get a camera for a second. Okay, it's very lost. Just move that over. Okay. So. So I'll curl it up here. So I'll cut this right. So make it easier. So now, like I say, just dial it first.